few tips, I promise your fried rice and grilled chicken will come out more delicious. First thing I'm going to say is when you are boiling your chicken to make the stock for the rice, go in with as much flavors as possible, because the quality of your stock determines the general outcome in terms of taste for your rice. So pepper, onions, garlic, ginger, curry, thyme, seasoning cubes, and I also added some coconut milk for extra flavor. Now another thing I'm going to say is when you parboil your chicken and you want to grill it or fry it or air fry it, please add an extra coating of marinade. Don't just put it in the air fryer or in the oven like that. You want to blend a mix of peppers, garlic, ginger, olive oil, seasoning cubes, and as much herbs and spices as you can find, and let that act as a coating and marinade for your chicken. I promise you, if you do it that way, your chicken is going to come out absolutely delicious. Now for your rice, any type of rice that you're making, frying the rice first actually guarantees you the perfect consistency. Now because we're making fried rice, I'm going to tell you this. I'm using basmati rice here, and basmati rice tends to cook more with steam than water, so don't put too much water in your rice. A cup of rice to a cup of water, or a cup and quarter of water, is actually fine. You want to just allow that to cook on medium to low heat until the rice is perfectly cooked. I also want to use this opportunity to let you know that for those of us that complain about our rice not coming out in singles, the reason why your rice is sticky is because there is still moisture in it, whether the rice is of good quality or not of good quality. If there is no moisture in the rice, it is not going to be sticky. So the next time you notice that your rice is still sticky, just bear in mind that there is probably still moisture in it. So leave it on fire and allow it to cook on medium to low heat, and I promise you, you would love the outcome. Was this helpful?